We are thrift flipping for camouflage. So I found this camouflage jacket at the thrift store and a pair of camouflage shorts. And let's see what we're going to do. So I'm going to take the shorts loose in the middle and I cloned me a bucket hat pattern and made a bucket hat. Check this out now onto the jacket. You know those old vacation t-shirts that everyone picks up while on vacation? Well, I took one from Hawaii and I made t-shirt appliques. I ironed and sewed it to the jacket and created a hybrid bomber jacket situation. Now, every time I wear my jacket this fall, I can be reminded of my Hawaiian vacation. Let's see how this all looks together. Thrift flip, when you see these highly embellished gowns from the 80s and 90s in the thrift store, buy them. Let me show you what you're going to do with them. You're going to get a seam ripper and you're going to remove the pearls and crystals and all the embellishment and you're going to use it for something else. Look at all these acrylic crystals. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Now we're going to take these crystals and we're going to embellish something new. So remember the black tank dress with the slit that I made? Well, I'm making one in white and guess what I'm going to put on it? Crystals, baby. So I started sewing on crystals, and while I was doing that, I thought, why don't I style this with a hat? I embellished an ordinary baseball cap with some of the upcycled sequin from a dress, and I call this Snow and Ice. Now let's see the final look. Flip. When you're at the thrift store, look for those bags of notions and yes, those sequin gowns because we're going to make this ordinary baseball cap not so ordinary. I used fabric tack glue to glue the beaded dress to the brim and crown of the hat. I gave it a trim, then added sequin notions and boom. Look at this hat, it is fire, and I got so carried away that I made another one. And another one. I am loving this fur trim and of course, I made another one. Take a look at all these hats. Tell me which one is your favorite, and I'll show you mine.
She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance.
This is why I love thrifting. Guys, check out what I got from the thrift store. I got these brand new hats with all of these gold studs. These gold studs are a fortune to buy. Just you get several of them in a pack. I have gold right here. So these are a bunch of studs. I'm going to remove these. I'm going to put them on the dress that I already made. Look at this. I got tons of studs. So this is a dress that I made and I wanted to kind of jazz it up a bit and make it a little more fire. And I'm going to put some studs on it. So I got all the studs off and I'm just going to sew them on the dress. I put them on a slit area and around the neck. And just gonna hand sew them on and make it really cute. And this is the final look. Look guys, this really made this dress a fire. It just really stepped it up a level, made it look really cute. And this is how it looks. Thrift flip. Today I'm taking an old bridesmaid dress from the back of my closet and a pair of jeggings that I swore I'd never wear again, and we're creating something new. Remember those studs I thrifted last week? Well, I have over 3,000 of them, so this project is definitely going to have studs. I decided I'm going to make a skirt, so I cut the legs off to create a top yoke, and then I arranged the legs upside down to form like a trumpet silhouette. I decided I wanted the denim section shorter, so I'm going to cut that in half. And then I'm going to cut the bridesmaid dress in half and sew it to the denim piece. I'm going to sew on grommet tape and some studs for really cool design details. Woo, this design is going to be fire. Take a look. Look at this, guys. This is super cute. This hybrid design combines chiffon with denim and grommets and studs. Oh my. There's only one thing left to do. Let's style this fit. Thrift flip. The subject is an ordinary t-shirt. Have you guys seen those high fashion trending muscle tees? Well, we're making one out of this today. I thrifted this tee, made some shoulder pads, and now I'm sewing them inside the t-shirt so I can have that nice padded style look. Then I'm going to add some more graphics to make it pop, and I'm going to ruch the sides a bit. Look at this. The right high fashion doctor just doctored up this t-shirt and gave it a new life. This is so cute. The ruching on the sides gave it some shape and some style, and of course we have to put it on.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what.
Thrift flip. This is the most sustainably conscious thrift flip ever. What do you get when you mix this discarded water bottle with thrifted scrapped leather? Hold on to your seats because you're about to be shook. Grab some scissors and cut your water bottle into individual strips that look like this. Grab your tried and true fabric tack glue and glue a suede strip to the inner part of your circular strip. Smooth it down and then glue a leather strip to the outer circular part. Press to adhere the glue and then apply a clamp and let sit for 24 hours. Remove the clamp and sew close to the edge of the inner plastic strip and trim. Add a magnetic closure with this fix-all adhesive. Apply the adhesive to each end and then insert the magnetic closure. And boom, you just made a high-fashion bracelet. Which one of these is your favorite? And I will show you mine.
Show me the car when you turn me on. Cool way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you.
I've got an awesome thrift flip today. Guys, look at these designer bags. Check out the designer handbag trends. We have gold chain link handles. We have resin chain link handles. We have patent leather. Guys, we're gonna thrift a bag and create the same look. I thrifted this faux alligator patent leather vintage handbag with gold hardware. Then I thrifted a bag of miscellaneous charms and gold chain. So I grabbed a ruler and some jewelry making tools and I started to assemble the chain to put it on the bag. This was a little tedious, but it all worked out. Now take a look at her. She is gorgeous. Look at her classy, classic, a touch of elegance with the gold. I love it. I can dress her up and down. Whatever I do, she's going to stand out. And I gave her a few friends. Check out these other vintage bags that I thrifted. I added gold handles and resin handles and charms. Let's style a couple of these beauties.